Transporting, shrinking distances, connecting lives. That's what Tata Motors stands for. India's largest automobile company. It is the leader by far in commercial vehicles and among the top 3 in the passenger vehicles market with winning products. Tata Motors is also the world's 4th largest medium and heavy truck manufacturer and the world's 2nd largest bus manufacturer. Tata Motors is the flagship company of the Tata Group, India's most respected and largest conglomerate, with operations in over 80 countries and exporting products and services to over 85 countries. Established in 1945, Tata Motors' presence indeed cuts across the length and breadth of India. Over 4 million Tata vehicles ply on Indian roads. The nationwide dealership, sales, service and spare parts network comprises over 3,500 touchpoints. The company's manufacturing base is spread across Pune, Jamshedpur, Lucknow, Pantnagar and Dharwad. A new plant is being set up at Sanand for the Nano. The vision that drives the company is to be the best in the manner in which it operates, best in the products it delivers, and best in its value system and ethics. Tata Motors, listed on the New York Stock Exchange, is also emerging as an international automobile company. The world-renowned Jaguar and Land Rover brands are part of Tata Motors. It is building on their iconic heritage, keeping their identities intact and supporting their growth worldwide. Subsidiaries. Tata Daewoo Commercial Vehicles Company is South Korea's 2nd largest truck maker. Tata Marco Polo Motors Limited is a joint venture with Brazil's Marco Polo for buses and coaches. While Tata Motors Thailand Limited manufactures and markets pickup vehicles in Thailand, Tata Motors also has a 21% stake in Hispano Carrocera, a reputed Spanish bus and coach manufacturer. Tata Motors and Fiat have a strategic alliance under which the 2 organizations have already begun several initiatives for distribution of Fiat-branded cars in India by Tata Motors, and a joint venture facility at Ranjangaon in India to manufacture both Fiat and Tata cars. For decades, the Tata brand of commercial and passenger vehicles are being marketed in several countries. They are in Europe, Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, South Asia, and South America. It has franchisee joint venture assembly operations in Kenya, Senegal, Bangladesh, Ukraine, and Russia. The foundation of the company's growth is a deep understanding of economic stimuli and customer needs, and the ability to translate them into customer-desired offerings through leading-edge R&D. Tata Motors has 6 R&D centers in India, the UK, South Korea, and Spain, with over 2,000 engineers and scientists. All these facilities together enable the company to share and access knowledge and technology for designing and developing world-class products. R&D has enabled pioneering technologies and products. It was Tata Motors which developed the first indigenously developed light commercial vehicle, India's first sports utility vehicle, and in 1998, the Tata Indica, India's first fully indigenous passenger car. Within 2 years of launch, Tata Indica became India's largest selling car in its segment. The pace of new product development has quickened through an organization-wide structured new product introduction (NPI) process. The NPI process helped Tata Motors create a new segment by launching the Tata Ace, India's first mini truck. The Ace rewrote the dynamics of the Indian commercial vehicle industry. The company created yet another new segment in urban and rural passenger transportation with Magic, a comfortable, safe four-wheeler for public transportation, and Winger, India's only maxi van. And in 2008, Tata Motors heralded a new era in the global automobile industry with the Tata Nano, the people's car, the least costing passenger car in the world. It brings the comfort and safety of a car within the reach of thousands of families. It's affordable and yet built to meet safety requirements and emission rules. Like the Nano, Tata Motors launched the World Truck in 2009 to usher in a new era in commercial vehicles too. In their power, speed, carrying capacity, operating economy and trims, this range introduces new benchmarks in India and matches the best in the world in performance. The range and output of collaboration across the Tata Motors family has been supplemented by inputs from partners across the world. This approach enables Tata Motors to harness appropriate expertise and develop relevant products faster than ever before. Tata Motors R&D, whose facilities include a certified crash test facility and a hemi-anechoic chamber for testing noise and vibration, has received several awards. Investments are being made to develop vehicles running on biofuels, hydrogen, electric and hybrid vehicles, both for personal and public transportation. Tata Motors is equally a partner to communities at every location. True to the tradition of the Tata Group, Tata Motors is committed in letter and spirit to corporate social responsibility and a signatory to the United Nations Global Compact. The company plays an active role in community development, serving communities adjacent to its manufacturing locations and operations. It focuses on health, education, environment, and employability with principles and practices which others want to emulate. Tata Motors is amongst the most respected companies in India. Questioning some of the long-held beliefs, and pushing the limits of automotive engineering with the foundation of its rich heritage. Tata Motors is today etching a refulgent future across the world. Tata Motors.